Hi guys, welcome back AllyCats. And if you're not an AllyCat, subscribe, become one. Join the kitty litter. It's not as gross as it sounds. Like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can become AllyCats too, and let's get into this video. So as you can see by the title, this is my granny nightgown haul. I don't really know what I'm calling it. I have an obsession, okay? And my obsession is with Grandma Nightgowns. It is my secret. It is my dark secret. My friends only have seen me in nightgowns. I love Grandma Nightgowns. Okay, let me explain though. I know it sounds really weird, but they're cute. And they're comfortable. And that's it. Like, nightgowns are so cute, okay? Like, why are grandmas the only ones being all cute and little in their nightgowns? Like, no, I want to be that. It goes from like cute nightgowns for like little girls to cute nightgowns for like your grandma. And then why are we left out in between? Okay? No, I'm not having that. I live my day-to-day life inside the home in my nightgown. I come home, all my clothes come off, a nightgown goes on. Okay? Am I clear enough right now? I'm being honest. This is my obsession. I truly love them. And I found all of my nightgowns only thrifting. So all these have come from like Goodwill, Salvation Army, local thrift stores that I have here. I mean, let's just get into this. Let me show you all of these. Like, I have so many. Get ready. Get ready. You're not ready. You're not ready? Okay, so this first nightgown that I'm wearing. You can't tell me this isn't cute. You cannot. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Even if you don't, like, I don't care. I literally don't care. Look at the freedom I have. Look at how wide this is. Do you see this? I can just like, look at all this room. Look at all this room in here. Oh yeah. I can do all the moves in this. Like, I love the freedom in this. Now you'll notice the sleeves are different because the elastic was missing on this side when I bought this. I have been meaning to fix that and get the elastic back in it so it's ruffled, but this side is ruffled. It's really cute. The shoulders at the top are gathered, so it creates a little poof, which, you know, I like a poof shoulder. So there's this like little ribbon bow. There's this crochet type pattern all the way around the neckline. It's a square neck, which is so cute. The design is so cute. But then if you look really closely, you'll see that there are printed flowers on this. I really hope you can actually see this. I don't know what you're looking at. I can't see what you see. There are printed flowers all around this. Pink and blue, which is my favorite color combination. Give me all that. Just nom 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 nom. Here, I'll jump into it. Let's see if that works. So yes, admire the cuteness. Look at this neckline. You can't tell me this isn't cute. Come on. Come on. It's adorable, okay? Like, look at that neckline. This tiny, tiny lace trim. Oh my God. And this, I don't know what this is called exactly. It's like this really thick... Oh, what is this called? It's not crochet. Is it crocheted? Embroidered? Is this embroidery? I don't know. Just look at it. It has a beautiful design in it. Pink and blue thread all throughout. It's missing a button, so I put a safety pin there. I'm really lazy lately, so I've just been like, I should really just put a button in here, but I just have a safety pin. Whatever. I like safety pins. That's always been my thing. I've always used safety pins. It's always been a thing, which is why my tattoo here. Safety pins. Safety pins. Anyways, so it's pretty long. It goes past the knees. Sleeves are just long. They have a little lace trim on them. And it's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. Ah, okay, let me get another one. Now we have a little lavender number. Look at how sweet. Let's just admire for a second. Okay. You can see it's a checkered pattern. So it is checkered all the way through, all over. Has cute little puff sleeves. The neckline is one of my favorites because it has just this design here. Not even the neckline, just the design at the top. I love a design that dips down like this and has a little ribbon going all the way through. And then it buttons down to about here and stops, and the buttons are real. And I'll let you guys in on a secret if any of these are familiar to you. I will film videos in nightgowns because you're only seeing from here up. So to me, it doesn't really matter. It just looks like a cute shirt to you. That you just see a cute top. But in all reality, I am pantsless in a nightgown. I don't think you wanted to know that, but now you know. Isn't this adorable? This is so cute! Ah, it's one of my favorites. Look at how freaking cute it is. Just admire it again. Look how big it is. I love it. I love it. I love swimming in my clothes. Just like, where am I? Where am I? If I twirl, it gets real big. I honestly don't love having clothes on. Don't love it. So this is like the closest to being adorable and also naked at the same time. Okay? And decent. I should throw that in there. Anyways, so the sleeves are gathered. It's gonna be a common theme. A lot of the sleeves are actually gathered. It looks super cute. They're a little short, but I actually don't mind it. I actually like a little wrist showing, like a little sexy wrist. Look at that. Oh, sorry. And this neckline, like, how freaking cute is this neckline? Like, it's frilly all the way around. And it has these embroidered, I think they are embroidered, flowers all throughout it, and embroidered leaves. And you can see this fabric is like a silky fabric, and on the inside it's like a cotton. So it's really soft, really comfy. So cute. Can't take it. Oh, I'm exhausted. Let's get another one. Admire it. Let's take a moment. Look how shiny it is. I swear I'm not high. This one, you'll see it has a cut in the leg. Look at that. Ooh, sexy grandma, yes. A little longer in the front, higher on the side. Oh. Look at that detail. Look at how amazing that is. I love it. This makes me happy. Anyways, so it has a collar and more embroidery, yes. So now there's like a pink vine with pink leaves and then blue and white flowers, and then there are tiny little pearls. I don't know if you can see them, but tiny little pearls attached as well. Then these buttons, they go all the way down to here. The threads have been pulled quite a bit. This is from me like holding my cats, their claws get caught. Just me wearing it constantly. It's worn down, but it's freaking cute still, okay? Show you the back. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, let's get another one. Now this one will probably give you some pretty strong grandma vibes. But it has these tiny little flowers all over it. And even tinier little like petals all in between. A gathered wrist, obviously. And then the neckline is super ruffled. It will button all the way up. I don't like to button things like that high on my neck, but and it is a very thick cotton material. Like, it is warm. This would keep you warm in winter, nice and cozy on the couch. Uh-oh, another favorite. Yes. I'm too excited. This is one of my all-time favorites. Like, look at the luxury. Just look at it. I'm far from rich, very far, but this makes me feel Very luxurious. Sleeves. Oh my god. Ah. The material is amazing. It's so silky, so smooth, so soft. Sleeves were once gathered, but not anymore. It has a cute little ribbon right at the top. And then this neckline. Come on. This neckline. Do you see it? Ooh, makes me angry. Look how cute it is. It has that V shape, freaking scalloped edging, okay? This frill. A perfect frill. Perfect. Ooh. That's how cute it is, okay? Makes me... Ow, my neck cracked. Ow. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Look at how cute this is. Look. Look, it has a little rose. It has a little rose. And a pearl. A freaking pearl. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a Christian Dior nightgown. This is a Dior nightgown. I'm just saying. Look at the bows. Look at the bows. Oh my god. It's amazing. It's so beautiful, so detailed. The ribbon, the embroidery in this, the bows are kind of scattered throughout this. There's a small striping through the bow. Like, don't talk back. You know it's cute. It's a big collection. I know. I know. And there are actually a few that I didn't show you because they're very sheer and I didn't know how I could do that on YouTube, so I didn't. Yeah, there's kind of no way for me to do that. But anyways, you got to see the majority of them. And I hope, what I'm hoping for is that one day all men, women, children, grandmas, and alike will be able to wear nightgowns freely with no judgment. That is what I want. Men used to wear nightgowns way back in the day. Bring it back. Bring it back. The freedom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you go out and buy a nightgown. I don't care who you are. Go buy a nightgown. Wear them around the house. I promise you, you will change. And you will be a nightgown granny girl too. Okay? I hope you enjoyed watching me in all my granny glory. And please come back. I have so many videos in store. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.